So, Microsoft has just revealed a brand new performance feature coming to Windows 11, and it's already causing a huge debate online. The feature is called the Low Latency Profile, and the goal is simple: make Windows feel faster and more responsive. Now, how does it actually work? Basically, Windows will briefly push your CPU to higher clock speeds in tiny bursts whenever you open apps, menus, flyouts, or different parts of the operating system. These boosts only last for milliseconds, but the idea is that everything feels more instant and snappy to the user. And honestly, on paper, it makes sense. Modern operating systems care a lot about perceived speed, not just raw benchmark numbers. If menus open instantly and apps launch quicker, users naturally feel like the system is smoother. But here's where the controversy starts. A lot of users online are calling this a lazy fix for Windows 11's long-standing performance issues. Their argument is basically, instead of properly optimizing Windows, Microsoft is just brute forcing responsiveness by temporarily maxing out the CPU. And to be fair, I understand why some people feel that way. Windows 11 has had complaints about sluggish animations, inconsistent UI performance, delayed context menus, file explorer lag, and random stutters ever since launch. So when Microsoft introduces a feature that simply boosts CPU frequency to high latency, some people see it as treating the symptom instead of fixing the actual problem. Now, Microsoft VP Scott Hanselman responded to the backlash over on X, saying this isn't some shady shortcut or cheating at all. According to him, this is completely standard practice across modern operating systems, including macOS and Linux. And honestly, he's right. Your smartphone already does this constantly. Every time you touch the screen, open an app, or swipe through menus, the processor instantly boosts clocks for a split second, renders the frame, then drops back down to save power. That's dynamic frequency scaling, and it's been around for years. So technically, Microsoft isn't doing anything unusual here. The real question is, should Windows 11 still need this in the first place? Because if the OS was already heavily optimized under the hood, would these aggressive CPU boosts even be necessary? Personally, I think both sides have a point. I don't think Microsoft is cheating because this is genuinely how modern systems improve responsiveness. But at the same time, Windows 11 absolutely still needs deeper optimization work. There are too many moments where the OS feels heavier and slower than it should on powerful hardware. And let's be honest, users don't really care how Microsoft makes Windows feel fast, they just want it to actually feel fast consistently. If this feature improves responsiveness without killing battery life or thermals, most people will probably end up liking it. But if it becomes another band-aid solution while the core performance issues remain untouched, then the criticism is definitely justified. So now I want to hear your opinion. Do you think Microsoft is making smart improvements here? Or do you think they're avoiding proper optimization and relying too much on hardware boosting tricks? Drop your thoughts down below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.